Once upon a time, in a quaint village nestled between rolling hills, there lived a young painter named Leo. Leo was known for his extraordinary talent, but his paintings lacked something until the day he met her. She was a mysterious woman with piercing green eyes who appeared in his studio one morning, unannounced. She introduced herself only as Luna and offered to be his muse. Leo, captivated by her enigmatic presence, agreed. As days turned into weeks, Leo found himself painting some of his most breathtaking works. But he couldn't help noticing that every time he painted Luna, she seemed to fade a little more. One evening, as he worked on his masterpiece, he turned to her and asked, "Why do you seem to disappear with every stroke of my brush?" Luna smiled sadly and replied, "I am not just your muse, Leo. I am the spirit of your lost love from a past life. I was sent to inspire you one last time so you could create something truly divine. But now, my time here is over." Leo was heartbroken, but he finished the painting with all his love and tears. When he stepped back, Luna had vanished, but her image remained on the canvas, radiant and eternal. From that day on, Leo's paintings were filled with life and color, and people said they could feel the love and magic in every stroke. Leo knew that Luna was still with him, inspiring him from beyond.